Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and this is the Force1 Tornado. This is the Tornado Blue, and we think it is such a blast. We got this for my little boy, and he's about 6 years old, and something right off, I have to say, it was so easy to use. We put the rechargeable battery in that they sent us, and he mastered the controls in a matter of minutes. Take a look at all the fun he's having. So first off, take a look at why they call this the tornado. This is a little slow motion view of what it is actually doing. My son just loves setting up little obstacle courses for his tornado. Here it goes, taking off. Nothing stops this thing. It tumbles, it falls, it keeps on going. Something else that is really awesome are these LED lights. And the best part is how they look at night. Take a look. Isn't that amazing? And what's neat is you can stop the controls, go in the opposite direction, and take off once again. This tornado is able to go from the inside to the outside as well, which my son loves. Here you can see it spinning on our back porch. And you can see how very rugged it is as it goes across the grass. If you're looking for the perfect toy, I definitely would recommend the Tornado Blue. It's easy to use, it's fun for the whole family, and that is my point of view.